So in the food processor, I'm starting with 1/4 cup or half cup. Half cup of. In the food processor, I'm starting with half cup of peanut butter, and then I'll add this half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. And then I add 1 tablespoon of honey, and then I'll add chickpea later. And now I'll add chickpea garbanzo bean, and I got this from Macro when I'm in Thailand. Can opener. I'm just using can opener to open this. And then I'll just get water from this in the can and then use the whole can in the food processor. Like, I'll add half first because my food processor is tiny. And then I'll close the lid. And then gonna start. Why is it not working? Hold on. Okay, I'll go to the food processor. And now I'm gonna use spray oil to spray egg by egg pan. Okay, so now I'm gonna put this chickpea in the pan, egg by egg pan, and then we will bake this at 350 or 180 Celsius, 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes. It depends on the oven temperature. Oh, also don't forget to preheat your oven. I think this one is too big. Here, I'm just gonna do like this. And then I'll add chocolate chip on top. If you want to make this vegan, use the vegan chocolate chip. But I don't have one, so I'll use this slightly semi-sweet chocolate. It's not vegan. And the one that I said, I use honey. But if you want to make it vegan, use maple syrup. I'm just gonna sprinkle it on top. And just put it on the leftover. Okay, sprinkle a little bit more, and I'll go bake this at 350 Fahrenheit.